Hey everybody, I want to do a bottle bottom pour, and I've never painted one that wasn't either a square or 11 by 12, something more symmetrical. So I'm kind of excited to see how that will lay out. I am going to be using the interference paints. So as you know, when you use interference paints, you need to have a black base. So I have that prepared here. So I'll get my black base coat down, and then the colors that I'm going to be using today are DecoArt Media Fluid Acrylics. It's interference paint, and this is the violet. To mix my interference colors, I use about 1 part of the paint, and then I add a dab of the acrylic gel medium. Mix that up real good, and then I do 2 parts of Floetrol. That's how I mix those. And then I made my pearl white that I use. It's like a silver, and I made that out of this here, the DecoArt violet. And instead of using the Sax gel medium for that, I use the Vallejo pearl medium. It's beautiful. I love it, and I've used it several times. My next color is the Amsterdam pearl violet, and I also have gold from Golden. Whoop. And I did make up some black because I did a bottle bottom pour before with interference paints, and I layered in between each color a layer of black, and it came out really nice. I'll actually insert a picture of that painting so you can see what that looks like. And then here's my black base coat. My bottle bottom that I'm using today is from an ice bottle. These work out really nice. So I'm going to get my base coat down, and then I will get started laying my colors. Thanks for joining. Okay, I got this centered. So I'm going to start off by adding a little black to get things rolling. First color is gold. By the way, I have this on a spinner. I have it taped off on the bottom. Well, I was going to leave it. Okay, next is DecoArt Violet. Oh, black in between. Forgot. Okay, and then now the DecoArt Violet. And then back to the black. White pearl mixture. The Amsterdam pearl, oh, black. I don't know if you can hear the thunder outside. It is storming like crazy. All right, so now we're doing the pearl violet from Amsterdam. I have rescued a kitty. Well, actually, my husband made it happen, but I was coming home from work the other day, and there was this kitty in the middle of the road. I'm just gonna say it. It was eating a dead bird, and it wouldn't move. I'm like, get out of the way, you were gonna get hit. And it wouldn't move. So it was really near our house, so I ran home, grabbed cat food. It, by that point, had went and hid under a tree, and then I gave it some cat food and tried to get it. It was hiding. I couldn't get it. It was under a big pine tree. My husband came on the golf cart, and we together were not able to get it. So he set a live trap the next night, and I'm thinking, you know, we're not going to catch this cat. But nonetheless, he put a live trap out, and We didn't get anything the first night, put cat food in it. And sorry, I concentrated. I stopped talking. I apologize for that. But I want to tell you this story, so I'll keep going. All right, so I set the trap the next night, and which was last night. And lo and behold, this morning, there was this beautiful kitten in there that I fell in love with. Very upset when we couldn't catch it, because, I mean, if it's eating what it was eating, I figured it was probably extremely hungry. So my heart was broke. He's like, no more cats, since we have 4. Actually 3. One's downstairs with my mom. Still don't know if we're keeping it. But guys, it is gorgeous. It's orange and black and white. It's got like patches all over the place. It is so cool. Okay, that was a Decor Violet, so that's my dark purple. Oh yeah. Better pay attention. Then that's black. Oh crap. Alright, so we got gold, black, dark purple, black. So now we need the white. I probably screwed this up. Since you can't really see the colors, it's hard. Alright, so there's the white. And then black again. So we're going to take a picture of it and go down to the neighbor's house. They do have a barn with barn cats, and if it's theirs, they can have it back. Okay, something's wonky here. Alright, it's running this way a little bit, so I got these wedges. I'm going to put it underneath my spinner. Get that up a little bit. And now we'll do the Pearl Violet. So I'll keep you posted on my cat adventures. I really, really want to keep it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna spin this out when I get to where I think there's enough paint on it. I'm hoping that I get the desired look that I'm looking for. We shall see. Okay, I'm gonna quit yapping. Turn some music on for you. I'll be back when I get all these layers on here that I know there's a lot of paint on there, but it's got to go all the way down. And obviously, there's plenty of paint that way. Alright, so I got my cardboard around. We're going to do one little sample, make sure it's not going to hit. And yep, it's going to hit. So we got to move you back. Okay. Going to hit here. Alright, so I got a little paint here I want to take out first. I'm not going to mess with that part anymore. I like the way that looks. Oh my gosh, let's spin it. Alright, and we're off. Well, I think that came out amazing. Oh my gosh. It is what I had visualized in my head. I love it. I am going to get the other camera and bring you down for a close-up. That's not too dark. Oh, you can start to see the colors. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Hi, honey. Butters. Hi. Is it making biscuits? Yeah, you're a good girl. Oh!